Look, I already have my pen and I already store it. You want to make sure you store it wrong really well. Really good. Mix it up really good. And then we're going to start. I already, I already sand it down a little. So now I'm going to give it a little brush. Because you want to get off all them old little paint that's on top of it. So you just brush it up a little and you clean it up really good. You're going to want to see the end result of this. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, definitely nice. Yes. The result of this, guys, you're going to want to see the result. All right. And don't forget, guys, to hit that like button. I will appreciate it. So now I'm going to begin by starting with the force coat. Usually you could use a spray gun and you could spray it, okay, which might be a easier job. It might be easier for you. So you know you're seeing all the detail, you know, which is great because it's an old flower spot, but nothing damaged. It's just all the arts, all the craft is just there. So to throw this away, you really don't want to throw this away. So I'm gonna paint it in dark gray. Basically, why I'm painting it in dark gray is because you know it's gonna be outside and white is pretty easy. White is pretty easy to dirty, so I don't want to go through all of that. But you're gonna want to see the end result. In order for you to able to get between the creases, you need a brush, soft brush. You need a soft brush, so the soft brush gonna end up go between all the creases. Guys, sometimes, man, you gotta be creative in your own way because it saves you a lot of money. Because into the wall, if I wanna go and buy these flower spot concrete, these are solid concrete. If I wanna go and buy this, it's gonna cost me a lot of money, believe it or not. And whoever was doing this in this time, man, these people talented, man. You know, they make this from concrete. That's what they make it from, concrete. It's best to have a real soft brush. Real soft brush. And like I was saying earlier, you want to make sure that it's outdoor paint. You want to make sure it's outdoor paint. You don't want to use interior paint to do an outdoor job. You don't want to do that. Because when the rain start beating it, it could basically, you see how it start looking already, guys? You see how it start changing? Yes, you want to make sure is outdoor paint because like I said, if it's indoor paint, when it's raining, it can remove the paint. It could start make it start shell up. It could make it start when the sun hit it. It could start cracking up, shelling up. So you want to make sure that you're using the right paint for the right job. So as you see in the everything it's changing, and you see the brush is so soft that it's able to go through all the creases. It's able to go through all the creases. This is just amazing, man. So sometimes you have these antique products and they mightn't look too well. They might look like, God damn, I need to just throw them away. But just some paint, you could change that with some paint. Just like a wall, you might have a wall and the wall look real messed up. But from the time you slap some paint on top of the wall, the room change, the room transform. You're gonna wanna see the finishing, guys. You're gonna wanna see the finishing. What I have in store for the finishing. You will wanna see this, and I have like I have four of them. Four of them. So you see how it looking? It looking mad rough. It looking so rough. But after you paint it, it just transforms. So you might, some people might have these line around their garden and they mightn't even know what they have, and they might just throw them away, or they might tell somebody, could you do, they might just give them away because they mightn't look pleasing to them the way they might want it to look. But all you got to do is get some paint, outdoor paint, and you paint them up to the color, the color that you choose, and you could see a whole difference. All right, if you notice, you already seeing the difference already. You don't want the paint to run, so you don't want to dip too much on the paint, on the brush, because you don't want to see no runnings when you finish. Because runnings make your job look real messy. So you don't want to dip the brush too heavy. Sometimes you gotta be creative, man. By being creative, help you save a lot of money, I'm telling you. Look at this. Look at this. I'm gonna show you what it, okay. I'm gonna give them several coats. I'm gonna give them several coats, which this is the first coat. So now, this is the next one right here. This is the next one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean it down again. Try to get off all them shell paint. Clean it down. And let's go again. Let's go again. They're all the same. They're all the same design. Once you get the right paintbrush, your job becomes so easy. Or the paintbrush is not stiff and it's not hard. So it's getting into all them grooves. I'm gonna be doing some videos like these because I also have a concrete bench as well that I want to resurface as well. That, you know, everything gonna match in. I also have two lions. I also have two lions that I'm gonna resurface as well. So guys, don't forget, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, because we have a lot going on, a lot to learn. This channel is about saving money and how to save money, not to spend a bunch of money. Time is too hard now. You got to save as much as you can in times like these. So I'm gonna basically, what I'm gonna do two. It's four of them I have to do, but I'm gonna do two, and then I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek of the outcome and the real look. Test your skills, guys. Test your skills. You might be surprised. You might be surprised how skillful you are, and you don't even realize it. So in all these grooves, you take the brush and you dab it in. You dab it in. So now the brush now, because of the tip is so soft, it goes in all the groove. So every groove gonna get touched with the pin. So even though if I was using a spray gun, it would have done way faster. But at the same time, thank you, Odels. Yes, it had transformed itself already. Just like that. So in a minute, I'm gonna walk around and I'm gonna show you guys how they used to look and how they looking now. Yeah. These well made, guys, I can tell you this. These well made. Whoever made these, I give them whoever made these, I give them a lot of credit. Lot of credit. I don't know where they get these designs. I don't know how they do it. I don't know how they do it, but they done an amazing job creating these. You know, in the older time, you want to know where these people used to get these tools to be so creative. Because people believe that, you know, in older time, they never was, or they didn't have access to certain things. Well, they was very talented. And believe it or not, I do believe they had some special tools in the ancient time that we don't see around now. And we believe that in them times, oh no, they didn't have access to this. They have access to some serious tools. That's I tell you that. All right, guys. So now I really want to give them at least 3 coats. That's what I want to give them. So basically, when they dry, I want to give them another coat. But this might make the video too long. I mean, we in a lot.